You want to start a restaurant? That's amazing. But before you do that, please keep watching and I'm going to explain to you what I've been working so hard on to help people like you. Now, I have owned 2 restaurants, both of which I bought as failed businesses. I developed them, marketed them, and turned them into highly profitable and fully booked establishments within a very short period of time before I then sold them both for a very nice profit. Between those 2 businesses, I have worked for over 20 years in the food industry, mainly as a chef, but also in restaurant management and pretty much everything you can imagine. Now, this course that I've put together is packed with 10 hours of downloadable resources, with video tutorials explaining all of the do's and don'ts, all of the financial management that you need to know, all of the menu creation, choosing the correct premises, choosing the correct lease, understanding customer behavior so that you can get people through those doors, sat on those seats and spending money. There's so much more to this than I've got time to explain in this video, but please click the link below this video. Enroll today, inherit my 20 years of experience and my one-to-one support through these courses. It's the best investment that you're going to make your restaurant dream a success and profitable, because I've seen so many people fail because they don't know what I'm about to teach you. So click that link. I'll see you in class. Enjoy, and I can't wait to hear your success story.